How to start investing in 2026, even if you're starting from $100. Part 1. Intro. Imagine waking up 10 years from today. You check your investment account before work. Instead of seeing just a paycheck, you see thousands of dollars that grew while you were sleeping. No lottery, no crypto miracle, no secret stock picks. Just a simple investing system that millions of wealthy Americans have quietly followed for decades. Now, imagine the opposite. You work hard every day. Your savings sit in a bank account, earning almost nothing. Inflation quietly steals your purchasing power. And 10 years later, you realize you worked just as hard, but ended up much further behind. The scary part? Most people don't make the wrong investment. They never invest at all. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how complete beginners can start investing the smart way, not gambling, not day trading, not chasing meme stocks, just a proven strategy that has helped ordinary people build extraordinary wealth over time. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to choose a platform, what account to open, how to build your first portfolio, and why investing can be much simpler than Wall Street wants you to believe. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Meet Jake. Meet Jake. He's 26 years old. He lives in Austin, Texas. He has a steady job earning around $65,000 a year. Every month he tells himself, this is the month I'll finally start investing. But somehow he never does. One week he's worried about a recession. The next week, he hears someone claim artificial intelligence stocks are in a bubble. Then another influencer insists Bitcoin is the only investment anyone should own. Every opinion sounds convincing. Every headline feels urgent. So Jake does what millions of beginners do, nothing. His money sits in a checking account, safe, but slowly losing value. Then one evening, Jake meets his neighbor, David. David isn't flashy. He doesn't drive a Lamborghini. He doesn't post screenshots of million-dollar trades. But something about his life stands out. He never seems stressed about money. When Jake asks for his secret, David smiles. There isn't one. I've been investing every month for almost 15 years. Jake laughs. That's it? David nods. The hardest part wasn't investing. It was getting started. That conversation changes everything, because Jake realizes something important. The people becoming wealthy aren't necessarily smarter. They're simply getting started earlier. Chapter 2. The first big decision. The next morning, Jake decides today is different. He's finally going to open an investment account. Then reality hits. He searches online. Hundreds of investing platforms appear. Each one promises to be the best. Lowest fees, fastest growth, expert recommendations, bonus cash, free trades. It's overwhelming. Many beginners make the mistake of choosing a platform because of flashy advertising. But experienced investors look at something else entirely. Trust. Before you invest a single dollar, ask one question. If this company disappeared tomorrow, what would happen to my investments? That's why regulation matters. In the United States, reputable brokerages are overseen by financial regulators, and many also provide protections for customer accounts under established rules. While these protections don't shield you from market losses, they help safeguard customer assets if the brokerage itself fails. Another factor? Fees. Imagine paying just 1% more every year than necessary. It doesn't sound like much, but over 30 years, That small percentage could reduce your final wealth by tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on how much you've invested. The wealthy understand something most beginners ignore. Every dollar saved on unnecessary fees stays invested and keeps compounding. Chapter 3. Simple beats complicated. Jake expected investing to feel complicated. Instead, David gave him surprising advice. Pick a platform you'll actually use. That's it. Not the one with the fanciest app, not the one with celebrity endorsements, the one you'll trust enough to keep investing in every month. Because here's the truth. The platform isn't what makes people rich. Consistency does. Think about a gym membership. The most expensive gym won't make you fit. Showing up every week will. Investing works exactly the same way. Successful investors aren't constantly changing platforms. They're consistently adding money. Month after month, year after year, market up, market down. They keep going. Chapter 4. Why most beginners fail before they even start. Jake almost made one huge mistake. He opened social media. One creator claimed he'd turned $5,000 into $500,000. Another promised daily profits. Another said traditional investing was dead. For a moment, Jake almost believed them. Then David asked one question. If it were really that easy, why isn't everyone rich? Silence. That's when Jake finally understood. Real wealth is usually boring. It doesn't make viral videos. It doesn't promise overnight success. It rewards patience. It rewards discipline. It rewards consistency. And those three qualities have created far more millionaires than luck ever has. In the next part, Jake discovers the most important decision of not which stock to buy, but which type of investment account could legally help him keep more of his money instead of paying unnecessary taxes. Because earning money is important, but keeping it is how real wealth is built. End of part 1.